You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French racing driver. He was in Formula One for some time. We're gonna need to learn the French pronunciation, of course, because that's how he pronounces his name. Esteban, that's a name of Spanish origin, but Esteban is a French pronunciation. Ocon, Esteban Ocon. It's easy once you know how to pronounce Esteban Ocon, or in English, Esteban Ocon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.